as we continue with the project, there were a series of videos that were taken, but for some reason there were sound issues with the video. I omitted those, and it took us directly to this part where I had started building the back wall, the first wall. Hindsight, it would have been best to put a plate under first and then build the wall from ground up, but since it was my first time doing this, I went from top to bottom. Now, it still works, and I was able to secure these studs onto the wood using other ways of doing it, but in next time it burns down. If it burns down, I would probably start at the bottom and work my way up.
Now let's put it right there. And this is not the best, but it will do. I forgot to measure this. Yeah, this is kind of leaning, so I gotta undo this. Yeah, it's what it is called do it yourself. You don't know what you're doing, so it takes a minute longer, but eventually it'll get done. It was nice if I had 2 levels, so I could just guard both sides. It's a labor of love. Alright, I'm gonna go lock this, and this time it should be good. Okay, we're pretty level. When it's all said and done, we'll tie it in here. Alright, now we want a 5-inch. I mean, not 5-inch. Where is this screen? So the screen will get something like this. This is one of the vents installed, so it's between these two. I still have to put screws in for all this and on the other side. So a similar vent at a similar location will go up here, and this would be directly behind the grill, directing the excess heat out. We got hit by rain as usual, but here's the finished product of the vent, and it looks like this. Where the hot air is gonna circulate out from behind the grill. I think it came out good. This is it from the behind.